It's about 6, quarter to 6, I get a call. We got a coil unit down. We gotta go rescue him. He's on the side of the road, yada, yada, yada. He's broke. What had happened is that he hit some I'm guessing he hit the frosties maybe a little too hard. He split one of the steel rims. And yeah, it blew the airbag, air lines. The truck still runs, it still moves, so this is gonna be pretty simple because usually it's you gotta air them up, pull them on the trailer, stuff doesn't run, it's just time consuming.
Let's go now.
Oh, that's heavy. Woo. That's what keeps you up at 2:30 in the morning when you gotta get somewhere. So now I'm running into troubles of my own. We get to the shop. First I'm gonna take the 24 low and then the 8-wheel booster and just get rid of the Jeep. The Jeep's got a seized brake. The wheelers have been sitting for a couple months and it's just been raining for probably 2 months, solid rain. So a couple of the brakes are rusted on and I'm trying everything in the book. Hammers, deck pins, bars, you name it. I'm doing it all, nothing's working. So we disconnect the booster and we take just the 24 low. We max out the permit weight at 40,000. So we're gonna whistle out here, grab this thing and come back. I get out on the street and I'm like, well, I had an air leak when I was using the trailer spike. So I'm like, I better check just to make sure I got some brakes because they got some hills. So I do a test once I left the yard here and then I got no brakes on the trailer. Go to investigate, it wasn't a broken valve, which what I thought it was. It was a broken glad hand in between the neck extension. So I fixed that quick. So I'm definitely not overweight on the drives of my truck. unspottable. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, I'm totally spotted on this trailer. Holy shit, that's black. What logbook? I gotta go spot something. Oh fuck, I broke it. Holy shit, that's heavy, but I got this. I hope Blaine didn't see that. Yeah, it's supposed to do that, it's doing a burn. Spotswell's my middle name. I got a permit. Matter of fact, I got two, it's so heavy. Do you have something that needs spotted?